Hey Purple Magic kiddos, I'm so excited to teach you how to do your cards. Okay, so you're going to take your set and you're going to take everything off your set that does not have a rubber band around it except these three special cards, flat, sharp, and natural. Okay, and you're going to learn those. Those are really easy. You can practice those too, but these are the note cards. You're going to separate them into two piles. You're going to separate the F, A, C, E cards off and set them away for a second. And then you're going to have all the middles C's, D's, and B's. And then this is how you're going to practice them. Sorry, I'm going to get my timer up. Okay. So just take a picture of this timer. We're going to have a stopwatch timer on the piano for your mom. And then you're going to sit right here. The cute little Purple Magic student is going to sit at the piano bench. And then your mom is going to put these in front of you and you're going to race the clock and see how fast it goes. I'll do it. On your mark, get set, go. C, B, which hand? B, B, C, and you're going to stop it. And she got it in 10 seconds. Do you see that? Okay, we're going to try it again. She's going to do this 3 times. So we're going to reset, and I'm going to shuffle. Did you notice that sometimes she did the wrong hand? She has to use the correct hand for the correct note. On your mark, get set, go. D, B, D, B, C, C. Okay, 9. She did better. Woo! And she got a little stuck on the D's and the B's, and that's why we're practicing. On your mark, get set, go. B, B, no, B, B, C, C, 7. Woohoo! That's so much better. So after you do that 3 times, then you're going to take your FACE and you're going to mix them up. The mom will mix them up really good. On your mark, get set, go. A, C, B, F, 4 seconds. Oh, and I'll bet she can even do it faster than that. And we're going to do it 3 times also. Ready? Get set, go. 3 seconds. 4 cards in 3 seconds. Wow. One more time. On your mark, get set. Whoops. Oh, mistake. On your mark, get set, go. Wow, that was easy. 3 seconds again. Now, when she has these in 10 seconds at least and 4 seconds for the 4 cards, you're going to put them together. And your mom is going to mix them up, making it really hard. Are you ready to be part of the Flash Club? Yes. Okay. She has 20 seconds to pass them off for the first level of flashcard. And if she wants to get the higher level, she'll pass them off in 15 seconds, I think it is. We'll have to look at the chart. I'm trying to remember. But she has 20 seconds at least. On your mark. Get set. Oops. Ah! Okay, I'm in trouble with the timer. What is your... Oh. Okay. On your mark. Get set. Go. Wait, we have to start again. I turned on the timer too soon. On your mark. Get set. Go. D, D, F, C, C, E, C, D, 11. Oh, you're so smart. So she got them in 11 seconds. So she would definitely get her 10 ashtalats if she passed them off like that for me. So do you notice that she's singing F, A, D. So she's singing right on the pitch, and that's something you have to learn also. When you get to this note, this is really high, so you can just sing it down here. Even though you're playing it up here, you can see on the keyboard. So you have to play it in the correct place, but you can sing it an octave lower if you like. Okay, Lots and lots of fun in Purple Magic. Go win your Ashtalots and become part of the Flash Club. See you next week. Bye.